So I bought some flowers today, actually bamboo. Oops. And I didn't want that he feel lonely, so I took one more. So they can enjoy together, whisper these secrets. And you know what? Actually, I have a lot of energy today and I'm gonna clean with you. I hope I'm not gonna break anything. As I said, I hope. So let's dive into cleaning. For my breakfast, I'm gonna have some coffee and then we're gonna start. Wish me luck. Hope I'm not gonna break anything and I'm not gonna break my house. To clean my fridge, and I've cleaned my fridge maybe once per 10 days, 3 times per month. Yes, I'm good in math. To put this back. And I want to show you, sorry for the sound, we'll put here eggs, and here I am with my favorite chocolate that I cannot live without. I'm a just little rebel, so tell me what's your favorite chocolate and what's your favorite fruit? I think I already know mine. And this is the one that I don't have right now, papaya of course, and mango, and that's why I just adore to go to South America, because you cannot compare taste of papaya or mango in South America or in Europe. Kitchen is one of my favorite, especially my fridge, favorite places in my house. I don't put my sofa in my kitchen. I don't have as my bathroom. I like to put some fancy carpet. And so I just transport myself into my bathroom. So you can see, guys, I will tell you my secret why my house always smells so nice. Actually, it is more like useful tip. The only thing you have to do is to take your favorite laundry detergent, and yes, as you can see, I clean my carpet with this, and you cannot imagine that smell. It just smells like a heaven. And you can see that I adore carpets. I have on my terrace, I have even in my bathroom, because it gave some kind of glamour look. And I think this is all just for today. Thank you for sharing these quite few minutes with me. Stay safe, enjoy life, and hugs and kisses. Bye!